Sa mga pagpasok sa mga pagpasok ng iyo, ang mga ibang bahay at nakagalang.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to FilipinoFlash.com. We are here helping out this packing stuff to be sent out to everyone out there that needs it. We're just helping packing and then get the job done faster. Pack some noodles, some cans, and rice. So the only problem now with the noodles is having hot water. That's all.
Junjun is has a new title. He's the master packer.
Yeah, that's me. I'm not a regular packer anymore. I'm a master packer.
How was your taping?
Very well. Well, actually, we didn't get to go do
Oh, you didn't get to do it? The bad weather. Okay. Well, thank you for bringing so much orange our country. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome to FilipinoFlash.com, and guess what's behind me? The 20 pesos. 20 pesos?
20 pesos.
20 pesos. In the back of the 20 pesos, that's what they had, that picture right there. So we're here. So anything you want to add, madam?
It's hot.
It's hot.
And where did you just come from?
We just went to go talk with Madam President to get help for the people, and hopefully that
Help for the Ondoy victim.
yeah, help for the Ondoy, the typhoon victim. So we're trying to come up and build new homes for everyone, the little Bahay Kubo, just to get them away from all the unsanitary
Conditions.
So hopefully that we can get other people to support, other artists to support, and everyone to support. And hopefully that we can help a lot more than a few families. Welcome to Filipino Flash again. Stay tuned. That's a relief effort. They're packing and everything to be sent.
Basically, what we did is we went there with an intention of whatever gift he received, he wanted to give back in some way, but we didn't know how. We had it, Ambassador Jimenez from one foundation was there, and she explained to us that her foundation actually helped in 2002 when there was a fire and people lost a lot of their homes. So it was like fate that we were able to meet someone who had, you know, a past that they've already helped so many with their foundation and with what he wants to do. So we decided that we would try to implement the plan with the blessing of Madam President to start to build a house, because after the relief is done, we need to start to give them back their lives.
Tsaka importante kasi yun, kasi alam naman na maraming tao nawawala ng bahay. So wala na silang they can't go back to they have to rebuild. And importante kasi yun, kasi alam mo naman yung mga lugar, it's filled with flood. Maraming dead animals and other stuff that are very parang yung lugar it's prone to maraming mga disease, maraming makukuha ng disease at saka mga illness.